Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode we're checking out, yep, you guessed it, the C98. So if you are holding on to the C98, be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. That way you will definitely always have answers whenever I'm releasing brand new episodes. And by the way, I trade since already 4 years, and right here you can see all of my trades. I made them public. I think you got them straight on my public profile. The link is down below. And you can see all of my trades going on. Yesterday, I've been flipping with the C98 just a bit. And I did myself a nice little 1%. Normally, I flip way more than that, but I just didn't have time, basically. I could have made huge gains, as I yesterday created a video that predicted the price flop to approximately $1. Well, it did hit $1.10. I was pretty damn close. And then it bounced to $1.45, exactly like I told it in my video right here. So you can check out the video C98. This was made pretty much yesterday, guys. And I told you what would happen and what price it would hit, what was the minimum and maximum for it to get to, and it pretty much worked. So what's next, right? Let's take a look. And by the way, guys, if you want to talk with me one-on-one, there's my Patreon link down below. If you have any questions for specific crypto assets, I always help out different users that are supporting the channel. And also you'll have access to the VIP Discord, where we actually talk about very high potential crypto assets that you might miss. So you will be joining a community here where a lot of us talk here and discuss different crypto assets privately. So, by the way, guys, today I will be yet again using, due to popular demand, FlipChain in order to simulate what can happen and how much you will gain in the next couple of days. So, if you have been listening to my other videos, you can check them out about the C98. As soon as it was released, I jumped on it and started creating videos for you guys so that you know what to expect. So right now, we're looking at a super bullish run that it had for the past multiple hours. Like we're talking about the past 4 hours, and then basically it has piped. So because it has piped, unfortunately it will dump in price. Well, it's okay. Let's simulate what will happen if you would catch it at the top. For example, let's say that you're holding onto it and you wish to make a sale. So I'll go ahead and create a simulation right here in FlipChain. Whoops, not my profile. 1 second. Let me go back to my dashboard. And then here I'm going to switch over to my demo workspace for all of the demos that I do on this channel. All right, let's see. By the way, this is the FlipChain for yesterday. As you can see, I have simulated us selling it at 123, then buying it back at approximately 1, and then getting it at 125. The sale. So here you would have made 48% if you would have made this type of moves. But let me just create a brand new one for today's sake. So let's go ahead and set up the flips for USDT, and this is going to be for the C98. So C98 demo simulation. This is going to be the 27th of July. I'm going to delete these later. It's just for you to see how I do this. So let's see here. Yeah, that's the one. And let me add a flip to the chain. So the first one, so let's imagine that we were holding at the top. Okay, so the simulation is that you've sold at $1.37. So you exited, because I'm talking to the holders here, not the people that are currently trying to exit. So if you are feeling bearish, guys, that's the way that you feel. So what you would do is you would sell it, because feeling bearish means that you know that the price would go down. In crypto also, this is known as taking the short position. When you take a long position, you buy. So taking a short position at the top right here at the price that I entered was 137. So in theory, if I would have let it go at 137, I would already gain approximately, as you can see here, 512, whatever, 5% approximately. And it's just gonna keep on bouncing because the volume and the volatility is quite high, because there's a lot of people trading this crypto asset right now. Actually, in the past 24 hours, $132 million worth of trades. And this was equal to 104 million tokens in the past 24 hours that were traded. So let's see here. If it does fall, I'd say it will probably fall to approximately $1.21. Okay, so if you would make this move right now, this is what you would do. You would buy it back at $1.21 on Binance, for example, and then you would make yourself 13% extra C98 worth of tokens. Whoa, I don't know if you guys heard this thunder, it was crazy. So let's say that it did bounce. So if it does, let me just go back here for the bounce. Like it just bounced right here. You see bounce, and then you got a bounce right here also. So I'm predicting a bounce at around $1.20, and it would probably bounce to approximately the same, like same type of pricing point that it is at right now. So at $1.36 approximately. So you would sell it off at $1.36. So let me see here, $1.36. There's a sell side. Okay, and this is the simulation. As you can see, you can gain like 25%, and this is in the upcoming 8 to 12 hours, which are amazing gains, right? I would definitely do that if I were you, but remember, I am not a financial advisor, so always be sure to consult with other YouTubers, see what they think about the price points. But me, I trade since 4 years, and this is the type of experience that I have amassed to tell you guys that it is gonna bounce on different levels here. So for now, you know, it's definitely going through this tunnel, which is a rather bearish tunnel, but it did break out at the price range of $1.45. And if we check out the other signals that we do have the MACD that just popped through. One second, let me just make this bigger for you guys so that you don't wear any glasses when watching this. Like, you know, the reason, by the way, that it will fall is you see here, you got two buy cycles right here. And this indicates that there has been a little bit of weight added to this bullish run. This means that there is still a bunch of hours for it to fall down, just like it did right here. You see you had a huge bounce in purchases, and then you had an almost equilibrium because people are still excited about this crypto asset, and a lot of them are definitely thinking it can reach $2 yet again. And I also think the same thing. I definitely think that it will drop back to 123, and this is why I'm saying that it will bounce back to 138. I definitely think it's going to reach $2 again. Now it's only a matter of time. That is, if the Bitcoin is going to have a stable price, because everything is very, very pegged to the Bitcoin, the BTC. All right, guys. So if you feel like this content is helpful, be sure to subscribe to Patreon. I would appreciate that a lot. And you can also follow me on my FlipChain here. I already got 41 followers in like 3-4 days. So I really appreciate all of the followers there, and I appreciate everyone on Patreon that are supporting this channel. So again, on Patreon, you can talk to me one-on-one so that you can ask me any questions about specific assets, and you can also interact with the community here. All right, guys. So if you have any more questions, please let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe, guys, and hit that like button if you appreciate the content. All right. Cheers.